Hey, what's going on, everybody? Isaac here, responding to an open tag from Big J's Knives of 10 made in the USA Lockback knives. So we got 10 out here on the table. We'll start off over here. This is the Gerber Gator drop point version, which they make in 154 cm steel. And then this is the Gerber Gator with clip point blade. That is 420HC. And this is another Gerber Gator with the serrated blade, also in 154 cm. Just outstanding knives, these Gators. Love the grips. Got another Gerber here. This is the US1. Very small little lockback folder. It's also got some rubberized texture here. Nice small knife, and still made in the USA. All right, next we got a definite favorite here. This is the Buck Model 110 Sport. We got this green micarta and the S30V blade steel on this. Just a fantastic blade from Buck. A nice kind of modern update to lighten it up a bit and put some modern materials. This here is the Buck model, let's see here, 446 Goliath. This was made in the 90s for the most part, maybe early 2000s as well, but large, lightweight lockback folder. And their 420HC steel 4-inch blade, nice and wide. It's got a really large ricasso area there, so you don't really get much more cutting edge, if any, over the 110. You can see there. This, of course, is the classic Buck Model 110 folder. This is the diamond wood scales here. Another great knife from Buck, just a legend. This is the Buck Model, was a 722 Spitfire. This is a nice, cool little lightweight EDC folder. It's been pretty popular for Buck, and it's a nice carry. This is brown aluminum here, so it's smooth, but real nice folder. And to finish this off here, we got two from Case. This is the Copper Lock. This is a navy blue jig bone. You see the red Case shield there. Very cool looking clip point blade. And this here is a Case Mako. Their kind of take on the Buck Model 112. It's a very nice folding knife. 3-inch blade. Got the cool Mako shark stamp there. Nice lockback. Now, this Mako, these Bucks and the US1, they all have the lock mechanism towards the back of the knife. Then the Copper Lock, Spitfire, the Gators all have it in the center. So here's a question for y'all. Do you prefer one placement area for the lock over the other? Let me know, and I hope to see your response to this open tag.